Bumble's Big Day, The Winds of Change, a Trello tale. It was another busy morning over in Building B, at the hot new startup, Bumble's Widget factory. But wherever you looked, something was amiss. There were so many parts, but none of them fit. Fidget spinner or a dish? The workers didn't know. It felt like they worked in such lonely silos. As time whittled by, work slowed to a crawl. Surely this wasn't the best way to do it at all. Frustration grew and patience wore thin. But then, some papers from R&D blew in. Lo and behold, all of the puzzle pieces fit. Those siloed work structures had made a muck out of it. Now working with perspective, productivity grew. From an open workplace bloomed a more efficient crew. And all of the world was filled with delight when Bumble's Widget factory became Bumble's awesome bikes. So what was their secret source of success? Trello's new home, that's what cleared up the mess. The end. Learn more about Trello's new look at bit.ly/divinghome.